In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Microsoft Teams. This simple yet fun feature adds a bit of flair and expression to otherwise straightforward chats. So let's dive right in and explore how to use it seamlessly. First, sign into Microsoft Teams by opening the application on your device and entering your login credentials. Make sure you're connected to the correct tenant or organizational account if necessary by double-checking the login hint, which usually corresponds to your email address. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main interface of Microsoft Teams. From here, you can navigate through channels, chats, and settings. For sending a GIF, head to the chat section. You can either select an existing conversation with a person or group, or start a brand new chat by clicking the chat icon on the left side of the screen. After entering a chat, direct your attention to the bottom of the chat window where you'll see several icons. Among them is the familiar smiley face emoji icon. Click on it. This is not only where you can add emojis, but also the gateway to sending GIFs. When the drop-down menu opens, look for the GIF option. Clicking it will give you access to a large collection of GIFs. These are often sorted by trending topics and categories, and you can also use the handy search bar to find something specific. Whether you want to convey excitement, ask a sarcastic question, or add humor to the conversation, the search function helps you quickly find the perfect GIF. Once you find the one that fits your mood or message, click on it, and it will automatically appear in your message input area. Take a quick look to make sure it represents exactly what you want to express. If it doesn't, you can easily remove it and choose another. When you're satisfied, hit the send button and your chat participants will see the GIF instantly. Sending a GIF in Microsoft Teams makes your messages more dynamic and helps convey emotions that text alone may not capture. As you get more comfortable using GIFs, you'll discover they're a fun and creative way to communicate. And there you have it. Sending a GIF in Microsoft Teams is quick, easy, and a great way to make your conversations livelier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.